Right here, just hold.
Good morning, sir. Can you please tell me your name?
My name Markeith Loyd.
Officers, can you pull the mic a little bit closer? Good morning, Mr. Loyd. You're here for first appearances pursuant to an arrest warrant for events occurring on December 13th of 2006. Count 1, first-degree murder with a firearm. Count 2, killing an unborn child by injury to a mother. Count 3, attempted first-degree murder with a firearm. Count 4, aggravated assault with a firearm. And finally, count 5, aggravated assault with a firearm. Again, PC was found because this was pursuant to a warrant. Sir, you are entitled to the services of a public defender. It's my understanding that you did not want to fill out an application. Do you want a public defender appointed to represent you, Mr. Loyd? Okay, and do you plan to hire your own attorney?
I'm defending myself.
You're going to defend yourself pro se. And what's the highest grade that you've completed in school, Mr. Loyd? Have you ever represented yourself in a criminal case before? Do you know the maximum penalties associated with these offenses?
It don't matter.
Okay. Can you read, write, and understand the English language?
Right.
And you believe you can defend yourself?
Yes.
And you understand that you have, you understand the nature of these offenses, sir?
Say it again.
And you understand the nature and severity of these offenses, sir? Are you sure you don't want a public defender appointed to represent you? I'm sorry, sir, what did you say?
Nothing.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to go ahead and do.
Well, first of all, I got questions to ask.
You're here for first appearances on a warrant, sir.
Y'all making up shit like I just went in there and shot this girl, endangering my family.
Okay, a judge is a...
What if other people want to do something back? Y'all portray this shit to the news people like I just went in there and shot this girl when there was other guns found on the scene. And all kinds of guns were pulled on me for it, but y'all acting like I just went there and shot her. Her little brother got dropped off while me and her was standing there talking. So there's all kind of other shit that happened before y'all just put on the news. Oh, I just went there and shot this girl, got my family at danger. So no, I wasn't coming in right
State's
then.
requesting Mr. Loyd be placed under oath before any further proceedings.
He's already been placed under oath.
Under oath.
Everything you say is being recorded, sir. So,
Yeah, she should know that. She a lawyer. What's she talking for?
so here's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to go ahead...
I'm not finished talking because y'all been making up shit the whole time. And then y'all make up stuff on my family, lock them up because my check, I work. I work 2-3 jobs. I work and I work for that money, and that's why he gave that money to my daughter, and he gave my niece the other half because he didn't give my daughter all of it. That money was not for me.
All right, here's what I'm going to go
I
ahead
didn't
and...
receive nothing from nobody. I was out there by myself. How in the hell anybody helping me doing anything? I went to Walmart myself to buy food. Wasn't nobody doing nothing for me.
So we're only addressing the one case, and I told you what you're here for.
Y'all know about all y'all lies y'all doing. I don't care.
I'm gonna
I don't
set-
care nothing about none of that.
On counts 1, 2, and 3, bond is going to be set at no bond. Additionally, on counts 4 and 5, I'll set bond at $1,500 apiece, totaling no bond plus $3,000. Additionally, I'm ordering some special conditions. You are not to contact Ronald Stewart, the victim in one of these counts. Additionally, you are not to contact any witnesses or victims' family members, Ms. Dixon's family members. I want to be clear on this. You are not to have any contact, whether it's third-party contact through other people, no telephone communication. I'll have him read that in just a moment. You're not to contact Dominique Daniels, Stephanie Dixon Daniels, Ron Daniels, or her children. There is a form there that you're going to need to sign off on. I'm going to go ahead and we'll give you a court date sometime out. It'll be on the paperwork for determination of counsel.
And then when they had me in the hospital, the Channel 9 News sent out there waiting for me to come out to see what they did for me. Or they done took my eye. They done broke my nose, broke my jaw. They did all this shit till I resisted, but I crawled out to the motherfucking road. So how did I resist? I ain't resist shit. They just did that shit and they tried to hide it from the news people, but I'm here right now.
Corrections, I think we've established everything we need to do in a first appearance hearing. He can be taken after he signs. Have him sign the no contact. All right, let's go ahead and start the rest of this docket. Thank you for your patience, everybody. Stephen Stanford. I know we have one private counsel. We'll go ahead and move that up.
One moment, Your Honor. It'll take a moment.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Let's give Mr. Lloyd a determination of counsel date in a week. Thank you, Mr. Lar. Do you want to renew your motion?